So to write a story in the PPT format, what happens is actually in PPT that a picture is shown to you for 30 seconds on the screen, and after 30 seconds you have to mark certain things on the paper which you have been given. Okay. On the given paper, on the top left corner, there will be a square box. In this square box, you have to mark the total number of characters which you have observed in the given image according to their location in the given image with dots. So, you have to mark the total number of characters with same number of dots, and beside those dots, you have to mention 3 details: age, gender and mood. Suppose that character's age is 30 years which you have perceived or observed. So you will simply write 30 and you will write the gender also. If it's a male character, you will write M. If it's a female character, mention F. And if you perceive that character in a positive mood, you will simply write the plus sign. And if you perceive that character in negative mood, so you will simply write minus sign. So plus for positive, minus for negative, and N or 0 for neutral. This will be defined by the particular board which you go to. On the right side of the square box, there will be a word printed called action. In this, you will be basically writing a one-liner action, which means what is your story all about? What is the main activity going on in your story? Okay. Below this box, you will write your story in this space provided. Right. Your story will have 4 components. Number 1, you will define your hero. We call it hero identification. At the next stage, you will write the task. We call it task identification. In the next segment, you will write the action. Now, please keep in mind that this action and this action will be same. Only the difference will be that the action you are writing in the story will be in elaborative form and will be a replica of the action you have written on the top. At the last, you will be writing the outcome of your story, that what happens in the last, and it is supposed to be successful outcome. Okay. One more thing which you have to keep in mind, that you will have to write your stories in English. You have to write your stories in past perfect tense or reported speech. And you have to write your stories in a reference range of words which is 100 to 150 words. And total time given to complete this paper work will be 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So total from viewing the picture and writing the story and marking all these details, you will get 5 minutes. Okay. Thank you.